Hello. We're going to look at open tickets by company. Great panel. Certainly click on it. You'll see as soon as it opens up, it'll show all the current clients that are there that have tickets that are not closed. Remember, you can go in here and choose the service boards. Do that right away. Choose which ones you want to see, select and not select to see if you want to include child tickets. If you want to show the completed tickets, do you have it where your technicians complete tickets and dispatch or somebody close them? If you click that on, it'll show them. If you click it off to hide them, it'll toggle it back and forth. But again, very good panel. It's showing you open tickets by each client or company. Manage calls them company, of course. You can always send things through Excel. You can actually sort them from A to Z. Click on the video and watch this exact video. You can turn the menus on and off, but a great panel. Shape it and size it any way you want. You can actually, of course, in the configuration, change the colors and the what kind of chart you want to see, if it's 3D or 2D. Again, open tickets by company.